Laser Therapy Class 4. Introduction, Biological Effects and Benefits. Laser Therapy Class 4. Treat acute condition. Accelerating healing, relieving pain. Experience the power of targeted light for restoring cell function and promoting long-lasting relief. Laser therapy has been successfully utilized for treating a wide range of medical conditions, including musculoskeletal problems, arthritis, sports injuries, post-surgical wounds, diabetic ulcers, and dermatological conditions. The benefits: pain relief, reduced inflammation, improved range of motion, accelerated healing, non-invasive pain relief, biological effects. The laser energy of Class 4 laser therapy is absorbed by the cells of the body, where it promotes cellular metabolism and blood circulation, anti-inflammation, anti-pain, accelerated tissue repair and cell growth, improved vascular activity, increased metabolic activity, trigger points and acupuncture points. Thanks for watching. Experience the transformative healing of Laser Therapy Class 4 at York Rehab Clinic. Book your appointment today.